Hello everyone, welcome back to the Maverick channel, and on this channel we talk about cryptocurrencies and we talk about things that help us see the trend in the cryptocurrency space. That is whether it's where people are looking at right now, what is going on, what the market sentiment is. And I've got a very nice treat for you today because there's a couple of applications that I picked out randomly. Now, whether you're new to the crypto space or whether you're an OG in this space, if you have your knowledge grounded in these applications that I'm going to talk about today, of course, I'm going to miss some things, and after the video, I'm going to be like, oh gosh, I forgot that. But essentially, if you got your hands deep inside the applications that I'm going to talk about today, whether it's knowledge, then you should be able to understand what the heck's going on in the whole crypto space. So guys, if you're interested in that kind of content, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button because it helps with my motivation and it helps me to bring you better and better content every day. So guys, to start off, the first thing I want to talk about, if you're new to the crypto space or whether you've been here for a while, the first thing is how do you get yourself some Bitcoin? The first thing I'm going to talk about is local Bitcoins. Of course, the best way to get Bitcoin or crypto is working for it and getting paid. But that's not what I'm talking about today. I'm talking about applications you can load up your computer and use these things. So local Bitcoin is one of the best ways because it's a peer-to-peer thing. So when you search for people selling Bitcoin, I think they might integrate other cryptocurrencies, but this platform has been there for a very, very long time. And anyone trading crypto here, you can see their rating. These are real people in the background trading crypto. So you can search for, I think every single country is listed on this platform. Every single country is listed here. So even the most, I think all countries are listed here. If there's any that's missing, let me check a country that I would suspect would not be here. I don't know if I can type the name. I was trying to search for Palestine because there's some crazy stuff happening there, but it's also there. And if you click, for example, yeah, you can find people. Let's search here. So, okay, you find people selling and you can meet up with these people and buy. So I'm just giving an example of how far this platform stretches. So it's off the web and it's the best way to, one of the best ways to get peer-to-peer crypto in your hands. One of the other, now I'm going to go fast from this point. So Binance Smart Chain is a centralized exchange. There's a reason I'm talking about Binance because Binance incorporates so many cryptocurrencies. So essentially, if you buy crypto, bring it to Binance, you can withdraw it onto very many other blockchains out there because they have support for that. So that's the reason I'm mentioning Binance. And of course, it is the biggest exchange in the world. So obviously, I have to talk about it. The other exchange, I forgot to type it in, obviously, is Coinbase. So let me just type it in real quick. You may want to have a Coinbase account if you're looking for liquidity in the crypto space. You want to swap your crypto. So these are centralized ecosystems. The other thing you want to have in the crypto space, so Coinbase is an exchange just like Binance, but they're centralized exchanges, okay? So if you don't know what that means, I want you to Google that because I'm going a bit fast. There's a couple of things I want to talk about. The other thing you want to have in the crypto space is a Twitter account because it's the best place to get your news, the best place to interact with people that are ingrained in this space. So Twitter, I would say, there's many other social media accounts like Discord. Actually, I don't know how I forgot to add Discord here. So Twitter is one thing you need to have if you're in the crypto space, but also Discord is the other thing you want to have. So Discord is an application that most cryptocurrency platforms use out there in terms of technically interacting with their people. And the other one is Telegram. So you want to have Twitter, Telegram, and Discord, okay? So the other thing is Metamask. You want to have a Metamask. This is the way you interact with your blockchains out there. It's a Web3 wallet. So it's a soft wallet. So you want to have that. The other thing these are things that I use every day. So a hardware wallet as well. So a best example is Ledger Nano, but I'm not necessarily promoting any brand, but rather talking about pushing forward the narrative of what is required in this crypto space, at least the current state. So Ledger Nano is a hardware wallet where you can interact with the blockchain and platforms like Metamask and keep most of your activity offline. So it dramatically increases or exponentially increases your security in this space. The other is Coingecko. This is the best way to quickly check for prices, quickly check for the rating of cryptocurrencies based on market capitalization. So that is price times the current circulating supply, and that is the metric they use for arranging these cryptocurrencies. And there's many features. Another platform is Metamask, which does, Coinmarketcap, which does a similar feature as Coingecko. And just like Coingecko in Metamask, for example, when I click on a cryptocurrency like Ethereum, I can actually, this is a contract address. If you don't know what this is, you can click on this and this token gets added to your MetaMask wallet. So very important. And you can also click here and you see many other platforms, chains. You can click on this little sign that says MetaMask and MetaMask will automatically open up. Let me see if I can actually do it right now. I understand. So I think that's a warning that some tokens might be fake and stuff like that. Okay. So if, for example, I click here, add to MetaMask, I think this is already there. Please change the wallet network. Okay, so you have to change to, because it's Ethereum, I think it wants me to add to Binance Smart Chain because the Ethereum is already Ethereum. So you can't add Ethereum to Ethereum. Wouldn't make sense. So if you want to add this to the Binance Smart Chain, your Ethereum, your MetaMask will pop up and it will allow you to add this token, this Ethereum version of the version of Ethereum on the Binance Smart Chain. So those are some pretty cool features that make your life much easier. Okay. One other platform, so guys, if you're interested in web domains and things like that, Unstoppable Domains is the best way to get yourself in there with the IPFS standard. So you're going to get these domains that are like the HTTPS but basically are decentralized, or you get them forever. No one can ever take them away because you sign these transactions on the blockchain and everything is verifiable. So if you want to get yourself some domain names, then Unstoppable Domain is the best. Of course, there's things like Ethereum name service as well that can allow you to get your address on Ethereum network. So you register a name and it forever belongs to you. So I'm just adding some that I might have forgotten in here. OpenSea is another platform. Basically, if you want to interact in the NFT ecosystem, it's the biggest place. If you want, some people argue this is centralization, blah blah blah, especially where they pull their data. I don't know. Many of these issues are in, I think, almost 100% of all the other crypto ecosystems that are popular. There is a certain level of centralization, but in OpenSea, basically this helps you to view your NFTs both in your wallet, but also see what other people are doing. So the main networks they support are the Polygon network and the Ethereum network, and I think there's another one as well, but they're still building onto that to help with the interoperability standard. So OpenSea is the best place if you want things to do with NFTs. And another one about prices is called coin360.com. So this just has this nice display where you can see what is dominating the crypto space. Bitcoin is the biggest, Ethereum, we can see Hex over there, Solana, BNB, DOT, and it also helps you easily look into the crypto space to see where the most volume of money is, where the most transactions are happening, and so on. So guys, when we move into decentralized exchanges, we've looked at some centralized exchanges. So when it comes to things like decentralized exchanges, of course, Ethereum is the biggest decentralized exchange. There's many others. I mean, Uniswap on the Ethereum network. Then on the Binance Smart Chain, there's things like PancakeSwap. When it comes to Polygon, there's things like quickswap. But guys, the narrative here is to tell you that these centralized exchanges, there's ways of getting crypto, other ways, there's decentralized exchanges. That is the point of this video. So I just picked out some of the main ones. And in terms of looking at the data, we have a website called DefiPulse. DefiPulse is a very good website. The only thing I don't like about them, they seem to focus mostly on Ethereum. So you see MakerDAO, things like that. When you go to Dexes as well, Scar Finance, Uniswap, SushiSwap. So it's mostly about Ethereum. So I guess that's the niche. If you want to laser focus your attention on the Ethereum ecosystem, then I guess DefiPulse is the one for you. I hope I haven't miscalled that, but I see most of the platforms are all on Ethereum. You can see here Ethereum. There's some Polygon that are listed, but of course we all know Polygon is meant to make the Ethereum network better in terms of scalability. So DefiPulse, you can get more detail about DeFi, decentralized finance platforms that are there by, of course, navigating over their tabs over here. The DeFi list, you can see Aave, Acropolis. So this will help you understand better what is going on. Another platform I'll talk about too, this one I like, it's called Dapp Radar. Now for Dapp Radar, you can check, they list for you so many networks: Ethereum, EOS, Tron, Ontology, Thundercore, I've never even heard of some of these, Waves, Wax, Steam, Hive, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and so on. And you can click, for example, on Ethereum, and what I like with these guys, they don't list their things in market capitalization, but rather the hierarchy is in terms of users. So of course all this can be manipulated, but when you click on Ethereum, now you're going to see something really interesting. We have OpenSea. You can see the top, it's the biggest it's the platform with the most users right now, and right now it's 58,000, and this is on Ethereum, not on Polygon. Of course, we know because Polygon is expensive. So you can see Ethereum, the number of users are really, really few. They're very, very few users of the Ethereum network, as you can see. And of course, that's in part because of the very high gas fees. For example, we can click EOS. Now, let me show you something interesting. What if we click Binance Smart Chain? Look at this. The most users on Ethereum on OpenSea were 58,000. Look at Binance Smart Chain. The Pancakeswap, the DeFi platform, has 392,000 users. So guys, this is what I'm trying to say. When you look at these platforms, they help you develop your own insight in this space. And you can click on, of course, NFTs. You can see things like top collections in the NFT space. For example, the floor price on this particular NFTs are $19,000. The Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs, I think the whole world knows these, $246,000 for the cheapest. So guys, you can also see these things. You can look through these lists and see what is popular. Axie Infinity and Axie is going for $50. Okay, I think the cheapest Axie. So you can see, you can look through these NFTs instead of going to OpenSea and being overwhelmed by everything that's going on. You can see these curated details. So of course you can click on specific blockchains, like for example I clicked on the Wax blockchain, and you can see more details about their type of NFTs. So you can find out more details about when you click on a specific blockchain, or even you click at other things, let's say NFTs or decentralized finance. Okay, they can give you more details about what's going on. And if you connect your wallet, you can even get details about your particular account in terms of what you have, what it's valued at the current market prices, things like that. So it really, really helps. Okay, so Dapp Radar is one of them. The other platform I want to look at, guys, if you're in the decentralized space, Dexguru is amazing. So look at here. There's many other features in this platform you'll have to, of course, explore just like the others. But for example, you type in a token like USDC, it's going to look at the decentralized exchanges, and you see the liquidity is $1 billion in USDC. Now I'll give another example. Let's type in a token like, we can choose any from here. Okay, so what is the state of Ethereum in the decentralized space? So you can click on Ethereum. I hope that opens up. Okay, let's click this again. Okay, now this shows you, it's going to look through whatever decentralized exchanges, because the platform is called Dexguru, so I'm assuming it looks like decentralized exchanges, and then it lists the price. Or maybe it's just looking at the whole decentralized space and it lists that the state of the market. So we can see liquidity in Ethereum is $3.7 billion. So let's quickly compare with something like Coinmarketcap to see the current volume of Ethereum. Okay, the current volume of Ethereum is $21 billion, market capitalization this, price is this, circulating supply. So I think it looks at some metrics, but it can help you see which chains have a lot of locked value. So you can even click smaller chains for smaller cryptocurrencies. Let's click something I don't even know. This is called Lux. Okay, if it opens up. So basically it helps you to see such thing. What? 14 million in liquidity in this particular platform, and I think they offer some features of swapping. So you can connect your wallet. Okay, my wallet is connected. You can look at your balances in your wallet and you can actually swap from one token to another. So this is integrated. All these features are there. And then there's other things like do your own research, which is very good advice. Okay. So another platform I want to look at is Botswap. This is a platform made by Fetch.AI. This platform will help you swap out your liquidity automatically and even swap up your tokens. If you're not too sure, I did a video about this. The previous video I did, or the last second video I did, 2 videos before this one. Sorry about that. I talked about this in detail of how to do this, and I gave the verdict of this in the video I made yesterday. I'll put the links in the description. So it serves a very, very awesome purpose, and if you want, you can check out more of my videos in the description. Nftsniff.com. This is another platform. This will help you sniff out the rarity of NFTs. So if you're trying to figure out how rare an NFT is, or a bunch of NFTs, and you want to search out for the most rare ones, let's type, for example, Bored Ape Yacht Club. You can click on the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs. It's going to look through the collection, and it's going to arrange for you the NFTs, show you their current prices, and there's other features you can learn by clicking on them to learn about their rarity. For example, you can see the background here. You can see there's different features they use to show you their rarity and that's the whole purpose of this. That's why it's called Nftsniff. So it will sniff out and you can get more details about your types of NFTs and the features you're looking for, how to purchase, more details about NFT. I think Nftsniff is very, very good, especially if you're an investor in the NFT space. The other one, this is created by a guy called Mari. He became popular from Decentraland, flipping land. Is called DCL Blogger. His other name is Mari. This is NftArtPulse, and this will sniff out some crypto. For example, I'll show you an example. If you go to top sales, for example, you can see Oceanfront. This was bought for $6 million for last sale, and it was bought by Justin Sun. This guy is the founder of the Tron blockchain. So you can find out this and the creators as well. For example, you can come here, see the creator of this Beepo sold something for 199 Ethereum. So this is cool stuff, especially if you want to get more details about what's going on in the NFT space. There's a platform called Vfat.tools, Vfat.tools, and this, you can see all these chains here. You can click on, say, let's click on Polygon, and you can see decentralized, you can see pool providers, you can find out a lot of information about people providing liquidity. You can see quickswap, Kyber network, and so on. If you click on the Binance Smart Chain, for example, you can see Space, PancakeSwap, ApeSwap, and you can get more details. Various liquidity pool positions, what reward tokens. So this looks at the decentralized exchanges and gives you what is the details of what's happening, at least to some extent, without the user interface. So this can be a good way, quick way to navigate these platforms to see what is being used, to get some more insight on what is going on. This was an article that mentioned some quite useful platforms out there. So it was a good summary. So if you want to check it out, this is the title. Okay, so the platform is Zima Red, and they talked about some good stuff. So trending OpenSea, Mintbase, tokens, the art marketplace, super rare, Nifty gateway, Rarible, other things, known origin, cargo, data. You can get data from non-fungible, NFT bank, and so on. So it's a very nice article for you to kind of quickly go through what is happening in the crypto space. Guys, if you want any more details about what I'm talking about today, please feel free to let me know. So this is a very good article as well. Actually didn't go through this before, to give you some platforms that are out there. You see YouTubers, podcasts, newsletters, you find some really good interfaces, but applications that are listed here that will help you navigate this space. Crypto art, some of the most popular people in the crypto art space like Xcopy, Pac, Josie, we all know this. Some are not even listed here. Collectibles, CryptoPunks, NBA Top Shots, CryptoKitties. So it's a very good summary. You can take note of this browser here. It'll be important. So two more that I want to look at. NFT Bank is awesome, guys. These are some of the platforms where you log in here and they'll basically show you a breakdown of, for example, you can see one of my wallets is logged in here. You can see Decentraland, they're valuing it at this, the assets I have there, Maker's Place, the art that I bought there months ago, MetaKey, some of the other NFTs, and they evaluate your stuff and they give you a breakdown of how much that is. So they look at a price estimate and they also look at the price floor. Okay, another platform that does that is APYvision. Very good, guys. If you use these plug into these platforms, you learn how awesome they are. You connect your hard wallet here, and it also gives you a breakdown of what you have. You can choose different networks: Polygon network, Arbitrum, Harmony, Celo, and so on. And some of them have pro features, so you can subscribe to get a pro feature. The last thing that I want to talk about is TradingView.com. So TradingView.com, you can see, give you S&P 500, Nasdaq, and so on, Bitcoin. So it's a good way to look at the prices, to look at the trends, what is going on, what are the current market trends? Are we in a bearish sentiment? Are we in a bullish sentiment? So just looking at the charts and basically opening up your own, trying to have your own understanding of what is going on. I think TradingView is a good platform. I don't use it that much, but I think it's a good platform to look at the charts, okay, for those chart people out there. All right, guys, I think that's all I wanted to talk about today. I think if you look at these articles, these platforms one by one, they'll help you get a deeper insight, at least technically, in the crypto space, but also learning how to use them will make your life so much easier in the crypto space, and you'll be able to choose the platforms that you're most comfortable with. Okay, so it seems like a big list, but it's not that big when you think about it. In retrospect, it's not actually that big considering how massive the crypto space is growing. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.